Meet the expectations of the people. And murder of democracy, why? If you look at all the states across the country, you look at, for example, Kerala, the governor hails from Kerala. They have a 50-day session. आणि 6 महिन्यांनी आज 2 दिस आम्ही assembly session has been taken. Comparatively, it is only a 1-day session. And 1-day session, all the departments we have to question. 1-day session, this government is bulldozing several bills, suspending all the rules, getting supplementary demands because they have the brute majority. The people of Goa are watching them. आज दूख जाता कित्याक जेन्ना इतले इशू गोंयांत आहा with regards to the police department, how police department are hand in glove with accused. तांकां सूट बूट सारके पावडर बी घान घेवन भायर वयताय, गोंयचे भायर वताय आनी थोड्या जाणांक फिनेल दिताय. Police departmentaचे official are involved now latest in cash frauds with regards to the law and order situation, women's safety, beach safety, with regards to the unemployment issue, and regards to several scams that this government has been involved with. It is a sorry state that Madai has been kept in the dark. And one thing that this government does is only events. Events सारखे फुलोयता आणि इव्हेंट करून कातोर मारताय. कातोर तीच कातोर घेऊन आज या असेंब्लीचे सेशन पासून खात्रीत आहे. I fail to understand why do they fear the opposition. Several issues that have to be raised in the interest of the state. I hope that the better sense prevails and the Honorable Governor in his address addresses all these issues. This growing communal tension, the growing law and order situation, the growing unemployment figures, certificates given by this. I hope the governor highlights the certificate given by the engine, the double engine sarkar, by the Modi government to this engine on the failures with regards to unemployment, with regards to serious deaths, with regards to suicides, with regards to the tourism जे टुरिस्ट आहा ते देंवता, मायनिंग केन्ना सुरवात जाता, हे सगळे प्रश्न लोकांले जेन्ना आज आमी ह्या सरकाराक, इट इज आर रोल बेसिकली to corner this government. We are not come here to celebrate the event of this government. This is an event management sarkar. We are come here to corner this government. And in one day, all the opposition MLAs have spoken. They bejar hai. They bejar hai because basically issue that we are basically come here for, or our role is not been allowed. This is a murder of democracy. Nowhere in the history of Goa is such bulldozing done by getting bills, by suspending rules just because they have a brute majority. So it is a sorry state of affairs, and it is a absolutely dark day for democracy in Goa.
तुमका विजयान कॉल करून म्हणलं ब्लॅक वेअर करपाक
एक प्रोटेस्ट म्हणून
तेंकी वेअर कोतले ते कॉटर यार भितर वयताय न्हू, भितर कितें घातले कितें करले ते कॉटले तो सगळे हिंगा उलयतले भितर कितें उलयतले
कपडे चेंज